Hi guys, my name is Holly, and today I'm going to be trying to crochet some like headphone covers for these headphones right here. I use these for like everything, including like school, exercise, everything. So I'm going to be making them look like Hello Kitty. Like I'm just going to cover most of them in white and then do like a cute little like cat ears and then a bow. And I'm going to be doing it in acrylic yarn. I have cotton yarn and I thought that might be better, but I don't have a lot of it and I don't want to go to Joann's and get more. So I'm just gonna do it with this and I feel like it'll be fine. Like I may not use them as much to exercise, but that's okay. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with just the main section of the headphones. And I'm just gonna chain like the length from like here to here. And then I'm just gonna like single crochet back and forth until it's wide enough to fit around everything. And then I think I'll just like slip stitch it together. So I'm gonna be using, I think this is from the 1 pound, it's like Pound of Love or something like that. It was on sale and I got like one white one and one black one because I use those ones so much. So I have this, so it's just regular DK, yes, that's the word, DK acrylic yarn, forgot the words. And then this is a 4mm crochet hook. This is my favorite crochet hook ever. Go buy all of them. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I finished this section, so I'm gonna just slip stitch it around here. Okay, so I did not enjoy slip stitching that together because it was just so, I don't know, it was like fiddly. But that's Ruby. Ruby's on my bed with me. But this is what they look like right now. So now I'm gonna work on the ear part. So I think from other people's videos I've seen, they just crochet an oval and then like and then they just kind of get a little bit like smaller here. My only concern is I don't want it to be uncomfortable on my ears. So I don't know, I think I'm just gonna have to experiment with it, but I'm gonna get started on that part now. Okay, wait, sorry, I just changed my mind on what I'm gonna do. So I realized that because the important part of these headphones is like more of the top with the bow, it doesn't really matter as much what I do on the bottom, and I really don't want to just like crochet over the pad part because I feel like that will make them not as good as like noise canceling. So I'm actually just gonna crochet and then fasten it into this little like, I don't know, little like section there. So it'll still be like white on that side, but it'll like not affect the quality of the headphones as much. And then I'll start working on the ears and the bow. Okay, I haven't actually started sewing, but I've just decided I think this part is a waste of time. I'm just not gonna do this part. It's gonna look janky and like just disconnected. Yeah, I'm just not doing it. So I'm gonna start the ears now. Let's do that. Okay, so Ruby is still here with me, but I just finished the first ear. Thank you, Ruby. I followed a pattern that I found online by Hoffy and a Nuffin. It's Hello Kitty cat ears tutorial. I'll put a link to it because I couldn't find any other like cat ear tutorials that I liked. So, and I've used this one before for a Hello Kitty hat. Because it's nice because it's actually worked in the round. So you're just making like a little cone, but you fold it in half and it makes it just like a bit more of a substantial ear. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another one of these right now. Ooh, Ruby, here's food. Okay, both ears are finished and now it's time to make the bow. Okay, I made the bow and it was actually so easy. It's literally just like a rectangle that you just like tie up in the middle like that. So I have this long end just sewed on and I'm gonna start sewing all the pieces on now. Guys, I finished them. Okay, ready? Grand reveal. Aren't they so cute? Look, that's the little bow I did. And I sewed in all the ends too, so they're like actually done. That's what the back looks like. I am so happy with them. I am just gonna be like walking down the street with these and I'm gonna look so cool. Oh my gosh, yay. Okay, if you like this video, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.